هذا اسمه انتربرايز. هل يكفي الانتربرايز سيستم؟
etc. Okay. So in the rest of our presentation, we will answer several questions. Okay. The first question is, when we say that we have smart decision, what do we mean by smart decision? Okay. The first answer is smart decision means the decision that based on the processing of large amount of data. But for smart city, okay, how can we collect this large amount of data? How can we process this large amount of data? How can we facilitate or how can we automate, okay, the smart decision making? Okay. So this the answers of these questions will be answered in the next slides. Actually, the answers for these questions will be answered by the innovative solutions that are provided by Fratello Holding. Let me first introduce to you the Fratello Holding. Fratello Holding, as I said, they based in some of their companies based in Italy and some of their companies based in UAE. For example, Saad & Saud company based in UAE. They specialized in ICT solutions. Gulf Cyber, also based in UAE, they are specialized in cybersecurity solutions. Okay, Signia, also based in UAE, they are specialized in forensic solution, forensic solution and forensic products. They are partnered with Access Data. Okay, now Logos Networking. They are also based in Italy and UAE. They are a group of certified engineers in surveillance solutions. Okay, for Falcon Eye, they are specialized in consultants and training. And we are Fratello Software House in Nablus. We are specialized in custom software development and mobile application development and in surveillance solutions. Okay. Okay. In group work. So we have the ability to make partnership with everybody. Okay. In order to achieve working quality, high working quality, and in order to achieve high working quality, and also to maintain high work potential. Okay. In order also to deliver on time and on budget. Okay, because of part of Fratello Holding Limited, we are the first in bringing in Palestine turnkey services and delivery of ICT, telecommunication, energy, and security solutions. So we can provide the security solutions for telecommunication companies, for energy companies, and for everybody. Okay. Now it is this slide. I can show you that what can provide in terms of security solutions for smart city. Okay, so we are specialized in CCTV, or we have in partnership with our sister company Logos Network. We prepared this presentation. Okay, they have excellence in CCTV and security. For example, CCTV module, access control, face recognition, license plate, ATM security, point of service security, wagon number recognition, traffic monitoring. Okay, so monitoring and analysis and analyzing information distribution from surveillance cameras and sensor increases public safety, which is the goal of security. Okay, our competence permits to monitor a whole city or a single building. Okay, we provide services with a team of professional engineers and offer best products in the market through partnership with leading companies of software and hardware. All the tools needed to provide this overview, improving the security of smart cities. Okay. To make an alert just for that operator. Okay, so allows the attention of operators. Example, signal with a red rectangle possible threat, facilitate the identification of possible abnormality, example, for example, highlight abandoned luggage. But now for unattended surveillance, so you will need some strong alarm to make alarm for everybody. Report an alarm when critical event occurs, for example, detection of an intrusion. Record data associated with events of interest, for example, vehicle license plate committing infringement. Okay. Now about video archive search, which is a kind of forensic. For example, if you want to search within a certain video for a picture of somebody, okay? So speed up the search of a known event. Example, the passage of a red car. Look for object for subjects known in an archive. Example, child who is lost. Okay. Solution requirements. Definition of specific events implies specialized camera requirements like positioning the camera, lighting, resolution, and different network requirements, specialized analytics engines, possible integration with other sensors, data correlation requirements. Okay, the general requirements are network infrastructure requirements, processing requirements, storage requirements, and security requirements. Okay, about the vertical solution beyond the CCTV, for example, we have three categories. The first one is the on-the-road CCTV. The first part is the automatic number. Okay. Automatic number plate recognition, traffic monitoring and analysis, traffic light monitoring. For face recognition, we can make face detection and face search. Okay, and also we said about intrusion detection in 3D space. And now about mobile CCTV cars and motorbike CCTV. Mobile ANPR, automatic number space number plate recognition, mobile speed detector. These are the opportunities in today's smart cities. Okay, now these are just the figures about on the road. We have surveillance camera. We have video stream come from the camera, and it will be analyzed. Okay. Now, also for traffic monitoring, this camera also can monitor and analyze by software the traffic on the road. Next, please. Okay, an example of traffic analysis. Just this figure to show you how can you analyze the traffic. Okay. For example, number of vehicles by vehicle type, total number of vehicles, average vehicle speed, road load, traffic jam, distance between vehicles. All this data can be analyzed, and you can configure any alarm you want to be fired when anything happens. Next, please. This one is to optimize the red light or the green light time. Okay, you know, when we optimize the time for the traffic light, we can optimize the time for everybody lives in the smart city. Okay. Previous or next. Okay. Now this is also red light detection. Okay, you can see a camera to detect the plate of the car, and it will record any number for the cars that violate the law. Okay, next please. For example, this is another example, and very useful example for face recognition. You can use this solution. For face recognition in the road. Even the companies can use this solution for time attendance for their employees. Once they can feed this system by the photos of their employee, they can control when everybody leaves, when everybody comes to the facility. Also, previous please, just I want to. Okay. just for joke, for this factor, you can search not only for the person, but you can search for even his family also, if they have the similarity in their face. So, for example, if this factor is above 85, you can search for a certain person. Okay? When you decrease this factor, you can search for the similar faces for that person. So when it becomes so low, you can detect even his brothers, his family. Anyway, next please. Okay. This is again for 3D space. بالعربي خلينا نحكيها شغله انه التزمنا اكثر شيء هون في هذا ال 3 دي سبيس انه احنا تعودنا في كثير اشياء مرات بيجوا اولاد الصغار بيقعدوا يرشحوا حجار على اشياء معينه، فبالتالي هذه انه انت مجرد تثبت كاميرا وتحط تعملها شيء على مثلا ابراج جوال، ابراج وطنيه، ابراج هذا انه مجرد انه عملها شيء بشيء معين، مجرد انه اي شيء يختلف هذا الشيء الكاميرا تقدر تعطيك صوره الشخص مين الشخص اللي رمى الحجر ومين كل شيء شو اللي صار.
الله يدلك على خير اذا هيك لليهود عايش.
طيب اوكي again for mobile CCTV you can also make not only fleet management but also you can track each car and you can monitor the camera for each car what it is recording. Okay. For example, how can we connect the cameras in every car? Next, please. Okay. This is for motorbike. Okay. Next, please. This is an interesting one. So you can see the location of the car, the location of the bike. Okay. And you can see also what does the camera installed and that car is recording. Okay. Next, please. Okay, this is just for the control room. Also, we can design the control room because the design of the control room will facilitate for the operator how they can operate and how they can monitor everything. Next, please. Okay, not only this solution, but also we can provide detectors, for example, for the gun shooting prediction. Okay, direction recognition, fencing recognition, queue monitoring, position of service, cashier, camera tempering, if anybody wants to stall the camera. Okay, gunshot recognition through a voice detectors or sensors, car alarm detection, glass crash detection, aggression detection. Okay, and these are logos for our partners. And thank you. Grow safely and secure with us.
Thank you, Mr. Muhammad. We have lunch now.